Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to design a couple edit using Photoshop. If I just come across my channel for the first time, you're welcome, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop another wonderful tutorial. Without any further delay, let's dive into the tutorial. Yeah, so this is the couples edit. So I found these pictures on Instagram. So we're going to create a new file. So the size we're going to be using is 100 by 1350. So let's create. Okay, so we're going to fit to screen the, just adjust the workspace. Yeah, so first thing I'm going to do is to bring in the first background image. Adjust the sides. Then we're going to add camera raw filter to it. So I'm going to make the vibrance 79, set it to 79. Then the contrast 18, and take it to the contrast. Then the contrast 18. Then take it down to texture. So I'm going to set the texture to 13. Then the days to 32. Yeah, so click on OK. So after doing that, I'm going to bring in the couple image. Yeah, so I'm going to bring in the second image, then resize it, then place it behind this first image. So we're going to add camera filter. So set the temperature to 58, the tint to 63, then the saturation to 23. Then we'll click on OK. Let's see. Okay, click on OK. Let's click on the effects, then reduce the opacity to something like let's say 80, 88. We want to add some gradients to it, so we're going to drag it up. Then we'll add the layer marks to clear away the parts we don't need. So after doing that, so after doing that, we're going to convert it to smart objects. Then some hue and saturation. So we're going to set it to the hue to 353, then the saturation to 100. We're going to select the colorize. Crop this flower background. I just need the down part, so I'm going to enlarge it, then add layer mask, select the brush tool, then clear away the parts that it is not needed, that I don't need. Those little parts here, just clear the part that I need. So after doing that, I'm going to add this area. So after that, we're going to add some motion blur effect to it. So I'm going to set it to 17 the distance, or preferably 18. So that's going to speed no before speeding up the video, I'm going to add this light leak to the head of the groom, the left hand side. Let's increase it. So I'm going to I'm going to change the layer mode to linear judge add, then reduce the opacity to 74. Let me drag it down. Okay, I'm looking for the perfect. Okay, so let me see. So reduce the opacity to 74, then add the layer marks to clear away the edges that we don't need. Let me change it to black. So clear away the parts we don't need. The top part, let me use the brush, clear. So I'm going to write the groom name and the bride's name. So I'm going to centralize the text. First group it, then centralize it. Yeah, so I'm going to reduce the feel of the light effects we added. Yeah, so that's it on how to create a couples edit design using on Photoshop. If you like this video, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, and if you are just coming across my channel for the first time, hit the subscribe button down there, and also turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I drop another wonderful tutorial like this. See you in my next tutorial.